Hey everyone, it's Sheena from Crafty Mama Studios, here with another 3D Shadowbox tutorial. I had a customer request to build on my construction theme Shadowboxes by adding a crane. This crane makes a trio that will make any child who loves construction smile. On all my Shadowbox files, I number the layers at the bottom right-hand corner. This is not only helpful for layering, but as you're preparing your files, you can match the numbers with the paper color so you're sure to get them all the way that you'd like. Before I start cutting, I get all of my paper prepared by choosing my colors and then writing the matching number in the bottom corner of my paper. Then, when I go to cut, I just match my written number with the number on the cut file. If you notice, I don't use a lot of foam tape in my projects because they're all just for personal use. If I were selling, I would make sure to cover the edges and spread more foam tape around the middle. I've also chosen to go with an insulation foam instead of a craft foam. It's quite a bit less expensive, and it's also thinner, which allows me to have more layers in my Shadowbox without squishing the design. I don't pull the backing off the tape that goes in the middle of my project until I have it placed on the design. This keeps the middle from sticking and messing up the alignment. Once I have the layer where I want it, I can easily go back and pull the backing off those middle pieces. Because we start with the back layer when assembling, my Shadowbox files are all numbered 1 at the back and go up as you get to the front of the Shadowbox. I don't layer the first full square or the top layer. These layers are pretty self-explanatory on where they go, so I left the numbers off those. Have you noticed the tool that I use to keep my layers lined up? It's a great help in getting them on there just right. The link for it's in the description if you're interested. And there you have it, a crane ready to take on the work zone. Do you have an idea for a Shadowbox you'd like created? Leave me a comment and I'll see about adding it to my collection. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified when I create new projects. Also, don't forget to join my Facebook group where you can get special codes, coupons, tips, and freebies.